Well, this is what's left of my car. Pretty much nothing. Yep. It was fun while it lasted. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna give you guys just a quick little update of what we're gonna be doing to some of these cars. We got this car that has been accepted into car physics. That is July 13th. So we have a little bucket list of what we want to do to this car before that. It's gonna be getting the Whipple on there, GT350R brakes, headers, and maybe if we have enough time, a full wrap. We do want to go with something a little bright, so that's what we're going to be doing to this car. We went ahead and started dismantling this car already. We do have more parts that are being bought for the car, so we got to remove the bags. They're not sold. We got to remove the fuel system, so we're going to go ahead and do that today. And for this car, the full wrap takes about 3 to 4 days. The wrap doesn't get here till maybe today or tomorrow, so we don't want to start the dismantling until the wrap gets here. But you guys are going to see this car completely get dismantled, wrapped, put back together, customer picking it up and all that. But yeah, today we're going to be pulling out the airbag system, the fuel system, anything else we can get off of there. If we possibly can get the R brakes off right now. Or ooh, that's not what we got to do to this car. We got to take out the train horns and put them over to this car. Possibly also the Steeda billet mounts. Go ahead and move some cars around. We got to take this one outside, turn this one around, and begin the dismantling of that car. Oh, and we already bought a microphone that gets here in a couple days, so you guys will have much better audio. So this is gonna have to do for now. Hopefully it doesn't sound like crap. So we're about to begin pulling out the fuel system. Gotta get the regulator out, all the lines running underneath the car, the feed and return lines, and then just got some of the electrical lines to pull out and the pumps. But after that, it's all pretty much done. And then from there, we're gonna go over to the airbags. Alright guys, so we went ahead and pulled out the feed and return lines on the car. These are the two that go to the fuel pumps. So we'll get these out of the way. You just gotta finish up untucking them from behind this brace here. So this is how it's plumbed. It goes underneath the car, comes up, goes through this little hole here, and then just goes to the regulator, which was mounted up here. We just gotta untie these zip ties, cut them off real quick, and pull out those lines. Alright, so we're going to get ahead and got the feed and return lines out. Alright guys, so we can go ahead and get the pump controller out. Gonna go ahead and tie up all these lines real quick and then kind of tell you guys where everything was ran to. So there is that. We got the fuel pump controller out, the regulator, and the feed and return lines out of the car. We just got the pumps left to take out. So there's a ring here that needs to be, if I get some light in here, but this ring needs to be spun counterclockwise, and then these latches here end up on this side and then it slides up. But Fore Triple Pump fuel system out. So guys, here is the fuel system. Here's the feed and return lines. Here's the regulator. There's the pumps, and there's the controller along with all the lines to power everything. I forgot that this car had a full tank of gas, so I had to take some gas out, and I was able to fill all these up. There's still a little bit left inside, but I turned on all the fans in here to get the fuel smell out of here. And went ahead and sealed up the top of the tank. Yeah, everything is pretty much done with the fuel system. Now we're gonna go ahead and go over to the airbag kit that's also sold. So I gotta take the airlift system off of this car. I gotta remove the 4 struts with the bags, all the lines, electrical, the tank, the compressor. So I'm gonna go ahead and start probably from the bag. Wheels are off. We're gonna go ahead and remove the struts, the rear bags. So, and then for the front, we're gonna remove the front strut with the bag. It's all one piece. We just gotta take the pressure out of here right now, and then take out the electrical, the tank, and the compressor. Go ahead and start removing the front struts. So in order to do that, we got to get the GT350R big brake kit off. I'm probably just gonna leave it off the car already, and I'm not gonna put it on back on anymore. You know, there's no point since the car is being parted out. So these are gonna be going onto the black build. Alright guys, so that is that. We went ahead and got the airlift kit out of the car. Here is everything, the rear bags, rear struts, and the front bags. All that's off the car. We're gonna go ahead and get the lines out now. We just gotta get the management system and the tank out, so that's all in the trunk. Guys, so the airlift has been completely removed from the car. Got the tank out, the management system, the bags are all gone. So this car is not bagged anymore. Yep, everything's out of the car. The drivetrain's pretty much gone. Just gotta remove the rear end. Interior's pretty much gone. on too. Got some airbags, some electrical. For that we got body panels, we got the louvers, MMD louvers. Got all the hardware for it, along with the trunk and the carbon fiber deck lid. This thing is pretty solid, full carbon fiber. Along with the deck lid. The deck lid does have some whitening here. You could see right there. But along with the spoiler, you can see some right there. So, anyone interested, go ahead and DM me. Oh, and there's a rock chip right there. But yeah, anybody interested, go ahead and DM me. So guys, this is everything we got off the car today. The Ferrada 4 3-piece wheels with the R888Rs. And then we got the fuel system. Sorry, the V4, so we got to package this up and ship it. And then we got the airlift system. Guys, so I thought I had lost this footage. I did lose the footage when we put the black car together. And then we got that ready for torque. All that footage is pretty much gone. Just doing everything. We stayed up till like 5 a.m. putting the car together for the show. We were at the Ferrada booth, you know, it was fun. We had a great time. And then Ferrada came over the next day and got some videos of the car, so you guys are going to see that on Instagram also. But after, Ness is here with me. Yeah, the weekend after torque. And yeah, we went over to the Cars and Coffee, and yeah, you guys are gonna see all this footage. We went over to the Cars and Coffee at the Chemical Guys in LA and Gardena. Shout out to Joe. You know that we had a really great time. Music, everything. You know, great host for Cars and Coffee. You know, kept everybody entertained the entire time. It wasn't just about the cars. You know, they got giveaways and everything. So stay tuned for more, guys. If you guys like the vlog so far, we're trying to figure things out and see how it goes. So if anybody, if you guys like it, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you.